Hello guys, so this is my second day of 100 days challenge body weights workouts. So let's start. Hi guys, I'm done for today. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is my second YouTube account. My first YouTube account is Cocktail Discovery. If you want to check out what I'm doing, what is my job, and also I will share my daily food routine. So actually I reduce a lot of calories. I stop eating rice. I reduce the rice, I reduce the sugar, just to maintain the balance.